YouTube, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Omo. First of all, happy new year to my YouTube lovies. So today I was bored, there was nothing to do, so I decided to play with my makeup because it's been a very long time since I last uploaded a video here on my YouTube channel. I'm so nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous, guys. I'm so nervous. Yeah, it's been a really long time I uploaded a video here on my YouTube channel. There was nothing else for me to do. I was bored. Yeah, so I decided to upload my makeup, and this is what we came up with. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, please guys stay tuned, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be uploading regularly. Did I just say that? Uploading regularly? Please, I have to retrieve that statement. I will try. I will make an effort because I am so damn lazy for no effing reason. Okay, I am really lazy. Videoing and editing, that actually YouTube is a lot of work. Let me just be honest, YouTube is a lot of work. It is a whole hell lot of work. Yeah, but I will try to be consistent. She's going to try, and we are going to stay by our promise. 2018, we got to be motivated. Yes, we have to be motivated. Yeah. So guys, if you want to see how I got this look, please don't forget to keep on watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette that I got from AliExpress to transition, and I'm going to be using this brown right here. I'm going to be using this color right here. I'm going in with this dark shade also from my Morphe eyeshadow palette. I am going to be using this shade right here, and I'm applying that on the color we added before, just adding that also above it. I will be adding this dark orange shade also, slightly above the color we just applied. Using this brush to blend out the harsh line that is above our eyelid. I'm going to be using this rose color eyeshadow. I'm going to be using it on the rest part of my eyelid. Then I'm going back in with this color. I'm just going to be applying that at the outer side of my eyelid. I'm lining my waterline with a white eye pen. I'm going to be lining my eyes with a black water eyeliner. Putting some mascara on my eyelid. Below my eyes, I am using this dark orangey eyeshadow. I'm going to be adding my eyelashes later. I'm just going to be color correcting with my Maybelline color corrector. For my foundation, I'm using the Lancome Natural Light Foundation in the color 13. This foundation is really lightweight. So if you are going for a full coverage, I would advise you use something else. For my under eye, I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Trophy. For contouring, I'm using my LA Girl Concealer in Dark Cocoa. Blending out my contour, I'm going to be using the MAC Donor Eyebrow Powder. And I'm going to be using this brown shade right here. Camera died down. I didn't know it stopped recording. For my powder, I'm using two different powder. I'm using the Bare Luxury powder, the color 5 to highlight my eyes, and for the rest of my face, I'm using the Bare also in color 1. I'm going to be using a different brush to remove the excess powder on my face. For my highlighter, I'm using Miss Rose Shimmery Highlighter, color 5. I'm going to be setting my face with a setting spray. For my lips, I'm going to be using this brown lip pen. I got it from Nigeria and the name has worn out. for some reason I cannot apply false lashes while on cam. I don't know why. I have tried so many times, it's not working. There was a video I recorded. Because of the eyelash part of that video, I decided not to upload it because I was feeling so embarrassed. So I'm going to be applying my eyelash off cam, and I'll come back with the rest of my face. So beauties, here is our final look. I hope you enjoyed this look, and if you ever recreate this look, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram, and I will see you all in my next video.